Stephen, when we first got him diagnosed, we could instantly tell that he was different than our other kids.
I have a very technological kid. He's been like this since he was a baby.
He just loves math, and anytime he can draw something or build something, he's fascinated with bridges.
I've always fought for his education at every step of the way, and this is no different. This is just transitioning them into adulthood.
It's going to help his self-esteem, being able to be around other kids who are like him, being able to meet kids who are not like him, and being able to interact and just enjoy himself.
We don't see this. This does not happen. It's hard to try to find venues, let alone a science lab.
You know, we aren't the kids that get to be up close and personal with hands-on demonstrations like this. Something is tailored to our kids. They can be themselves. They can STEM. They can react.
It's something that he's never seen.
We're using STEM principles to create toys, and these toys are going to do something based on some sensors.
We're using physics to actually grab one of these cubes, and pretty much you're supposed to match it with the matching symbol.
So in this station, we want to demonstrate what is mechatronics and digital manufacturing through robotics.
There's a sensor here that measures distance, and as we stack objects here and the distance gets shorter and shorter, you'll get different musical phrases based on the blocks that you are stacking.
So in this Chinese traditional dance, you can see how the actuators and how the sensors in these robots are controlling the movement to be very sophisticated.
And then the system's going to use some machine learning and try to find all my facial features. Once it finds those facial features, it's then going to generate a pumpkin out of my facial features.
I think this event is amazing. I think it's really nice for kids who are on the spectrum, who don't get included in a lot of different things as far as technology and mathematics, because sometimes, you know, they have a meltdown. Sometimes they have a moment where they don't want to be touched or bothered, and this event allows him to be him when he needs to be him and still enjoy himself.
Being a military family and being separated, I was on an 11-month deployment when my wife saw our son regress. He was talking, he was just fine, and then all of a sudden he regressed. And then he just kept going through, and we were just hitting roadblock after roadblock, and it was tough.
Unfortunately, our kids sometimes get the short end of the stick when it comes to science, technology, engineering, math, STEM. And this was the perfect opportunity to come together to make it happen for them and their families. But what makes it so special and so dear to my heart is that it's on a higher level. This is nice stuff. This lab is awesome. VMAS has generously opened their doors to us and said, run free. And that's exactly what our children have done.
There could be a potential future for him in an application, you know, with technology. First, you have to believe that they belong here. You know, you have to convince yourself that they can do this. They can do this. Don't sell him short. I'm not going to underestimate him.
See the three of them and how they interact with all the different stuff, it just blew me away. And my wife said, he's going to be an engineer.